What's up, big birds? It's Tissue Tuesday, and behind me, this is a tongue. This is specifically from a cat tongue, but it looks very similar to your tongue. Now, the tongue is comprised of different tissue types. There's an epithelial tissue, there's a connective tissue, and then down here we can see there is a muscular tissue. So this is all muscular down here. So this epithelial tissue, remember epithelial tissues cover surfaces, so it covers the surface of your tongue. This is sort of continuous with the inside of your mouth, your cheek, which is continuous with the outside of your body, which is your skin. So it's surrounded by a stratified epithelium, and this stratified epithelium is a stratified squamous epithelium. If we look at this top cell layer or the apical cell layer, those are flat cells. So this is a stratified squamous epithelium. Now, the stratified epithelium makes sense because it's subject to a high level of abrasion, right? Think about eating your Captain Crunch. It's going to rub up against that Captain Crunch, and it's going to basically scrape or damage these cells, right? So we can slough them off, and it can be subject to that high level of abrasion, which is why it's stratified. This area here is a specialized connective tissue known as the lamina propria. Lamina propria is a specialized layer of connective tissue that contains blood vessels. It's also going to contain mucus glands. So it is basically a connective tissue layer underneath the epithelium that is found in moist or wet membranes. So this is going to be the lamina propria, and this is a blood vessel in that lamina propria. And now you may know that your tongue is basically just one big muscle. So here we can see skeletal muscle fibers in cross section. Here we can see them in longitudinal section. So this, all out here, this deep purple, this is skeletal muscle. So you have skeletal muscle, connective tissue, and then epithelial tissue. And that's what makes up your tongue. Now you know. Later.